A Japanese proverb states, "Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher." Hello everyone, my name is Unnati Rabavi, President of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor, Bannerghatta campus. And I am feeling absolutely honored to say a few words about our beloved teachers, the essential building blocks of every student's life. Teachers are the backbone of our society because they majorly contribute in shaping the future of our nation, students like us, and guiding us to become ideal citizens of our country. Teachers have many responsibilities and challenges because every student is different. They're not the same. So they have to adopt different types of patterns and methods to teach everyone. And that is exactly how teachers are here at GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor. They create a positive and enthusiastic environment so that we can all study in an efficient yet fun way. Teachers' Day is a very important day because it's the one day throughout the year when we can thank our beloved teachers for guiding us and inspiring us. We thank our teachers for their unwavering support and dedication to us. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Udit Pasi, the Vice President of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor. I'm going to share my thoughts on Teachers' Day. September 5th marks the Teachers' Day. It's celebrated on the birthday of Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers instill in us the values of responsibility and grace discipline. They make the boring topics more humorous and interactive. Today, especially, we thank them for all they have done for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Vrinda and I am the discipline in charge of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor High Bannerghatta. Today is a day to appreciate and acknowledge our teachers' hard work and dedication for shaping our minds for the future. My heartfelt thanks goes out to every teacher for teaching us valuable lessons. Their encouragement, guidance and support has helped me become a better individual. Since we all spend most of our time in school, it is very important for the teachers and staff to create a friendly and welcoming environment, and our school has succeeded in doing so. GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor High Bannerghatta hires the best trained teachers with a lot of knowledge on handling children with compassion and patience. They have always been there for us, to inspire us and motivate us to reach our full potential. And they have always been there for us, guiding us through our struggles and celebrating our successes. They have always instilled a sense of love and eagerness towards our exams instead of fearing them. And even the most difficult and boring subjects have started becoming easy and interesting. And my deepest gratitude goes out to every teacher in this school, whether they have taught me or not, for their patience, kindness, and unwavering support and commitment towards our education. Thank you and a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Urjit and I am the editor of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor Bannerghatta. I would like to start my speech about teachers by sharing a fact. On an average, a student spends about 8 hours of the day at school. And therefore, it becomes important to make them feel like the school is their second home. This is a very good quality of teachers as they are able to make the students feel comfortable at school instead of making it boring and making them dread about coming to school. Now, when it comes to classes and education, the teachers have a wide range of things to share, and when it comes to doubts, they are very open, and also questions outside of the school syllabus. This helps the students increase their field of knowledge, and the teachers are very helpful when it comes to helping struggling students and helping them move ahead with the syllabus and the topics. When it comes to students with different abilities and qualities, the teachers are very good at finding these qualities and discovering hidden talents. And this is another good aspect of teachers and why it makes school fun for students. Now, when it comes to outside classes and education, teachers act like friends rather than just people who give knowledge and lessons to students. This makes a student feel like the teacher is a parent rather than just a normal person. I would like to now conclude my speech by saying that teachers play a very important role in our daily lives, and without the kind nature of teachers, a student's life would be very difficult and they would probably struggle in their lives. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Annapurna, the sports captain of GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor High Bannerghatta. I'm here to express my gratitude towards my teacher. The love they have showed us throughout my school life has made it memorable. Teachers in our school are like superheroes. They have this amazing ability to make even the most complex concept to seem simple and understandable. They guide us through our academic journey, helping us interpret and guide and apply what we learn. But it's just not about the subject they teach. They help us mentally and emotionally and encourage us to reach our full potential. So I would like to conclude this by telling Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Samidhi Basak and I'm the Cultural Activities in charge of GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor. 5th September is an important day on our calendars as it celebrates our teachers who guide us towards the future. A teacher has a whole class of students to educate, motivate and take care of. A good teacher will understand the special qualities and characteristics of a student to guide them towards the correct path in life so that they can be successful. It is a very challenging task as each child is unique and requires a different level of patience and dedication for each. This day is a totem of appreciation to give back to the teachers who have led us towards the future. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shloka, Health and Hygiene in charge of GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor. On this special day, I am here to express my love and gratitude towards my dear teachers. They not only teach us great values and morals, but also correct us when we are wrong and guides us through the right path. They are always there to support us. I highly appreciate and respect their patience and hard work towards us. I would like to thank them for everything they have done for us. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Vriddhi Agarwal. I'm the Airhouse Captain and I'm studying in grade 9 at GoldenBee Global. Today, I want to talk about the incredible role that teachers play in our lives. They make difficult topics easy and help us understand complex concepts. They make learning a joyous adventure, but it doesn't stop there. They guide us through the maze of information and help us make sense of it all. They help us in thinking critically, asking questions, exploring, and discovering our own perspectives. And let's not forget their guidance. They're always there to guide us whenever we are lost. Through their guidance, they empower us to make our own perspectives and make informed decisions. They not only provide academic support, but also emotional and moral guidance. They push us to reach our full potential. They see our strengths and weaknesses, nurturing our talents and helping us overcome our challenges. They light the way and ignite the flames of curiosity within us. So let's take a moment to appreciate all the incredible teachers in our life. Their impact in our lives is immeasurable. So thank you for everything you do, teachers. Wishing all of you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everybody, I Pavan Rao, Vice Captain of Airhouse from GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor School, would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers Day. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards our teachers who help us understand and learn. They are the guiding lights to our path of wisdom and success. So happy Teachers Day to all and thank you.
My name is Shaya Jindal and I am the Vice Captain of Earth House. On this special day, I would like to thank all my dear teachers for helping me and supporting me to become what I am today. Here at GoldenBee Global, teachers are very supportive and very friendly. Wishing all the teachers a joyful Teachers Day filled with love and appreciation. All your lessons have left a lasting impression on my mind. All the teachers out there are a role model in every sense.
Hello everyone, I'm Joshita Shri of grade 9B CBSE and I'm the Earth House Captain of GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor. On this special day, I'm here to express my heartfelt gratitude to my superheroes, which are my teachers. You have made the toughest classes easier and made classes fun and interesting. You have been our unwavering support throughout and you have been our guides, mentors and source of inspiration. And thank you for everything. Happy Teachers Day.
Greetings to all my dear teachers, friends and faculty members. I, Ria, the Captain of Firehouse, studying with GoldenBee Global with Vipgyor, I'm going to give a speech on Teachers Day. Teachers are our guiding lights toward the entire school year. They are our best well-wishers and they also work towards us and also want the best for us. I'm thanking all the teachers out there and wishing them a happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Anshika Vikram from grade 9 studying in GoldenBee Global with Vipure. Today I'm here to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my teachers. Today is Teachers' Day. This occasion is celebrated because of the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of our India. Our teachers have helped us throughout our lives. I'm in 9th. From first grade to 9th grade, it has been a huge journey and it wouldn't be possible without my teachers. I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone present in this special day. I'm Taran, the Vice Captain of Waterhouse. I want to thank all the teachers who helped me to get this position. Fun fact, I was not able to read a book when I first came to the school, which was in first standard. But then all the teachers helped me one by one to read a book. And because of them, I'm standing in front of you and giving a speech. And this day takes place to embrace the birth of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and the second President of India. Now go thank your teacher for being a good role model, and that's all I got. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Trishita. I'm the Vice Captain of Firehouse. Today I would like to honor all teachers on behalf of Teachers' Day. Teachers are the compass who guide us through the seas of knowledge. Teachers inspire us to becoming our role models. As we celebrate Teachers' Day, let us take a moment to recognize the immense impact that teachers have had in our lives. Teachers play an important role in shaping our futures, and we are truly grateful for that. Thank you teachers for your unwavering commitment to education and being the guiding lights in our journey. Happy Teachers' Day!
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.